Hey, how's it going everyone? Adam with Tbaytel, and welcome to a new video segment called Mobility Tips and Tricks. Each video, we're going to walk you through how to do something new on your smartphone. So we're taking a look today at how to add an email address to either an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy S9. First, let's tackle the iPhone. To add your email, you'll need to make sure you have a bit of information first. You need your email account, your password, and if your email is provided by your internet provider or is a work email, you may need to ask them for their email server information. The first step is go into Settings and then scroll down until you see Passwords and Accounts. Here, you're going to press Add Account, and now is where you choose your email type. If your email is from one of the big providers such as Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or Outlook, you'll just press on the appropriate button and enter your information. If your email is not one of the above, you'll need to press Other. And you may be prompted for some additional server information. Today, I'll show you how to add a Tbaytel.net email address. Next, there will be a bunch of information here. You're going to choose Add Mail Account. Once your information is entered, press Next. Here, you'll be prompted to enter some server information. For a Tbaytel.net account, the host name is mail.tbaytel.net. Your username is going to be your email address without the @tbaytel.net. And then enter the same information again for outgoing mail. Once all your information is entered, press Next. And your phone will take a minute to connect to the email server. When this screen shows up, you're almost done. Press Save, and your account will be added. Now, you can check your email right in your inbox. The steps to do this on an Android phone is very similar. Today, we're going to use the Samsung Galaxy S9. First, swipe up to bring up your app drawer and choose the settings icon. At the top, there is a little search icon. You want to start searching for accounts. If your phone doesn't have a search icon, you can just scroll until you find accounts. Here, you'll choose the accounts option and then press accounts one more time. Now, you're going to select Add Account. And in this case, I'm adding my Gmail account, so I'm looking for Google. Enter your email address, and then you're going to press Next. Next, you're going to put in your password, and then press Next one more time. It will take a second and give you a little bit of information about it, ask you to take your phone number, press Agree, and then you should be all set up to use email. That's it, your email address is now set up on your phone. To check your email, you're going to go into the Gmail app, and these new emails are waiting there for you. For other great how-tos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and you can always get help at any of our authorized dealers.